Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dash border to image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert dash border to image. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Picture option. Then insert a picture from our file. Now we want to put or insert dash border to this image. Click the image. Go to the Picture Format menu. Then click the Picture Border option. Choose any color. Now I select the yellow color. Then again go back this option and choose dashes. Then select the dash border. Now we can see we make picture dash border very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.